If you just had your garbage disposal replaced recently and your dishwasher's not draining, it could be because you have the plug still in the garbage disposal. It needs to be knocked out. First things first, we're going to unplug the garbage disposal. You might have to put your hand in there. You don't want it to turn on by any means. We're going to be taking off the drain line. It's a 5/16 hex head on my clamp. You want a little Tupperware or something to catch any water if so. This one didn't have any. Put your finger in the hole to see if the plug is there. You can also do that from the other end. And here I'm going to knock out with a hammer and screwdriver. Hopefully you have room and swinging your hammer to knock out the plug. Here I'm just confirming and verifying that I did knock it out. I'm able to put the screwdriver all the way through. So the plug is knocked out and inside the garbage disposal. If your hand is too big to fit in the hole, you may want to retrieve the plug with a long needle nose pliers. And this is the culprit. This is the plug that's in the garbage disposal. That if you don't knock it out, your dishwasher will not drain. Tighten that up with a 5/16, and we're going to plug it back in. And we're ready to test the dishwasher to watch it drain.